Welcome back. Today I wanted to show you this interesting puzzle. This is the first Rubik's DIY set ever made. If you don't know what a DIY puzzle is, DIY stands for do it yourself. These were very popular back when Cube4U was a site and they sold DIY puzzles of their speed cubes. They would come in a plastic bag with all the pieces so the user can lubricate and assemble the puzzle to their liking with the right amount of lubricant, tension, and sticker orientation. It also saves the manufacturer time and money having to sticker and assemble all these puzzles. And with this vintage version, I think it's the latter. It saved the factory that made this time to sticker it, assemble it, put in all the caps. As you can see, this puzzle comes with all the caps needed. The puzzle came out in the cube craze in 1981 and was made by Polytoys. Polytechnica, also known as Polytoys, was the first company that made the Rubik's Cube. I also have a video about that. You can click the link. And these packages came out in two different languages. This one is the German language, and it also came out in a French language. As you can see, that right there translates into Magic Puzzle. Everything you need to assemble it is in here. You can see there's the core, there's all this caps. You can see that the corners don't have caps, but they're also in there. And behind here are some instructions to how to assemble the puzzle, and also all the screws, springs, and stickers you need. I'll flash up a picture of how it looks inside. I won't be opening this one because it is a collector's item, but there's only two staples on the side, so it wouldn't be too hard to open and I guess close back up. So I'll do a close-up on how the pieces look. You can see that these are the hollow types, so it is a newer puzzle. It's not the very first ones that were solid. You can see that the edge pieces are hollow. There's the core. You see the corner pieces are hollow. There's the centers. You can see there's all the caps you need for the corners and centers. And as I said before, behind here are the instructions, screws, springs, and stickers. You can see on the plastic it's imprinted a little logo there, and then it says working puzzler. These do show up on eBay time to time. They don't fetch too high of a price, but you're gonna have to be a little diligent and search often on these websites. Also, looking at other countries' eBays, like the German one or French, would help find these. I believe I got this one from Hungary. I thought I would share this odd puzzle. I hope you enjoyed the video about the first DIY puzzle ever made. Thanks for watching.